Hello friends, today we are going to prepare butter Mattar Paneer. It is a quick, delicious restaurant style recipe that we can prepare at home easily and quickly without much efforts. So let's begin. For butter Mattar Paneer, I took 3/4 cup of milk and added half of the pouch contents of Suhana Paneer butter masala mix and mixed it well. No lumps be left. I stored remaining half of the masala mix for another time. Side by side, I got the pan heated, added 4 teaspoons of oil to it. When the oil got hot, I added puree of 2 large tomatoes, gave it a stir, covered it and let it simmer for around a minute. Then added the masala mix, gave it another stir, covered and let it simmer for a minute. It is nice and boiling now. At this point, I added 250 grams of paneer cut in cubes and some peas, stirred it all well, added around 40 tablespoons of ghee or clarified butter, mixed it well, added half cup of water, covered and let it cook until peas are soft and tender for around 10 to 12 minutes. The peas are soft and cooked well at this point, and so is butter Mattar Paneer ready to serve. This is my idea of a quick, delicious recipe, especially when I want to prepare something restaurant style. Thank you.